Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Fatma and my name is Malia. Welcome to our channel. Today my name is not of Fatma, my name is Chef of Fatma. So the ingredients for this,
I wanna eat the chole.
yeah, but the ingredients of this is extra virgin olive oil and then some fruits like yes. The seasoning Malia will tell.
We have here, we'll take 2 spoons of olive oil.
Yeah.
Extra version of oil.
2 tablespoons. Then we will add vinegar, also called sirka in Urdu language, almost 1 spoon. And then we added chaat masala, a little bit more because we like some spices. It's a spicy seasoning.
If you like spice, you can add it.
Yeah, we are not adding too much. And olives.
Yeah, and 2 spoons of olives because they are good for the head. We added 4 spoons because we love olives. As you can see here is the olive. Ingredients of these are fruits like apple, banana, kiwi, and cabbage. That's not a fruit.
That's whatever.
We have put in cabbage and lettuce. We have put in cabbage and lettuce.
Is this lettuce? Yes, it's.
And we have put in olives.
And this chef is eating.
I love it. We have also put in chickpeas.
Yeah.
Or canned chickpeas there. Because it's easy to make.
And I love these black olives.
Yeah.
And apple.
Me and
Then we must have mixed all. Friends, you can add any of the fruit you love to eat or you have available in your home. After you have put in all those ingredients, toss them well so the olive oil and
slice of banana
and all seasoning have mixed well in all the fruits and eatable stuff.
And this all will go in mommy's tummy.
No.
let's try. Okay, wait. This is too much.
After?
पहले मैं fork से taste करूँगी अपना.
Okay, so now we are going to taste it.
Horrible.
I'll taste my right as my ground.
And how is it?
It's good.
Yummy?
Excellent.
And Malia's expression telling me the truth. Is it good? Then
Malia, wait.
I will love it.
Mama. Malia, now I will give you a spoonful. Please close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Yeah, this is first attempt of Chef Malia and Chef of Fatma.
Mom helped us to cut it and I tossed it. Friends, if you like our this video recipe, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe
our channel to see.
So we can share more recipes.
Yes, share more recipes with you.
Without mom. Mom only eat.
We will.
Yes.